It's a beautiful day in the neighborhood, a beautiful day for a neighbor. Won't you be my neighbor?
This is the Daniel Tiger Tonie. It has 19 tracks and runs for a total of 29 minutes.
If you have to go potty, stop and go right away. I'm sitting on the potty. We're sitting on the potty.
Yeah, we're brushing our teeth. We gotta brush them so they're healthy and clean.
The figure has Daniel riding in a box that he's made to look like a spaceship, which is interesting. You can only see his top half, which is fine with me because Daniel's one of those characters who has a sweatshirt on top and does not wear pants.
We're brushing our teeth, brush them going up and down, and make big surface fishing bubbles around.
Today, we're going to the neighborhood carnival. We can play games and go on the Ferris wheel and see our friends. How do you get ready in the morning?
The Daniel Tiger Tonie covers these basic areas of expressing emotions, brushing your teeth, going to the bathroom, and facing your fears.
Do I have to go to bed?
Bedtime is important.
It's a beautiful night in the neighborhood.
To play with family and friends, it's such a happy feeling when they lend you a hand.
And be sure to stick with us because in 2025 our goal is to review 25 new Tonies. 25 and 25.
The day is done, and now you can go to bed.
Thanks again for watching. Feel free to share with someone if you think they'd like it, or leave a like here, or hit the bell to subscribe. So many options. No pressure. Thanks again for watching.
Did you hear that?